It's just after 12 o'clock in the afternoon. I'm calling on God's light and love and light. And show us the love and light that's flowing through. Love, 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 love. Mother God, Father God, the angels of light and love emanating through. You're welcome to come through. You are welcome. God's love and light and abundance for all emanating through. All around me, all around my house, 1 block around my house, 1 mile around my house, all around the state of Michigan and all of the United States and our islands, and the clear, clean waters. Light and love and love and light. God's light, God's love, protection for all. Love and light.